Good afternoon, Arben, and today we start tuning your engine 9J41. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. On this side all looks good as well. I didn't see any damages. Alternator looking good, compressor looking good as well. And on the top all looks like so. On the back side all looks good, the gearbox looking good as well. On this side all looks good. I didn't see any damages. Starter looking good, and underneath all looks like so. Turning the engine 9J41. Thank you.